Does India want to toy with China? Toy Story: will toy industry be India's next big story? Have you ever stopped to wonder where your favorite toys are made? Odds are, they're manufactured in China, which has long held a virtual monopoly, producing over 70% of the world's toys and commanding a staggering 56% share in exports. However, as per media reports of January 17, 2024, recent developments suggest a seismic shift in the global toy manufacturing landscape, with major players such as Hasbro and Mattel actively seeking alternatives to China. India has emerged as a promising contender in this endeavor. In this video, for a comprehensive analysis, we will delve into the historical context of the toy manufacturing industry in India, the reasons behind China's dominance, the challenges faced by the Indian toy manufacturing sector, and the strategic steps taken to carve out a niche in this evolving market and to reshape the industry dynamics. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. We have observed that 97% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so, after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Watch this interesting video until the end so that you will not miss out on all the details. Historical context of toy manufacturing in India. To appreciate the current dynamics, let's rewind the clock and explore the historical context of the toy manufacturing industry in India. It is crucial to delve into the historical evolution of the toy manufacturing industry in India. China's dominance in this sector has been pervasive for decades, producing more than 70% of the world's toys. This supremacy was underlined by a staggering 56% share in global toy exports. However, the COVID-19 pandemic served as a wake-up call and brought to light vulnerabilities in China's model, exposing the risks associated with depending solely on one manufacturing hub. The quality concerns were further heightened by the 2007 scandal involving Mattel's recall of 19 million toys tainted with lead, emphasizing the perils of such a concentrated production system. Quality concerns, coupled with disruptions in supply chains, prompted major toymakers to explore alternative manufacturing hubs. The shift towards India. Amidst this backdrop, major toy manufacturers, including giants like Hasbro and Mattel, recognized the need to diversify their manufacturing bases. India, with its vast working population, stable government policies, and strategic connectivity to key markets, emerged as an attractive alternative and a prime candidate. A pivotal advantage for India lies in the cost of labor, significantly lower than China's, making it an enticing proposition for global companies looking to optimize production costs. Challenges faced by Indian toy manufacturers. While the potential of India as a toy manufacturing hub is evident and undeniable, several challenges have slowed down the transition process. The most significant roadblock is the lack of sufficient capacity manufacturing facilities, translating into extended timelines for companies looking to shift production. Whether finding a contractor, which can take up to 18 months, or opting to build a new factory, a process that may extend to 3 years, the timelines are considerable. Infrastructure bottlenecks, such as the absence of sufficient warehouses and last-mile connectivity, further complicate the transition process. Government initiatives and incentives. To address these challenges and incentivize toy manufacturers to shift operations to India, the government has implemented several strategic initiatives. In 2020, import duties on toys were increased from 20% to 70%, making importing toys into India less economically viable. Simultaneously, the government is establishing multiple production clusters across states, offering subsidies in the form of rent concessions, power tariffs, and freight subsidies, creating an environment conducive to the growth of the toy manufacturing industry. Market turnaround and future prospects. Despite the hurdles, the Indian toy manufacturing market is witnessing a notable turnaround. From 2016 to 2020, a whopping 86% of India's toy imports came from China. However, by 2023, toy imports from China witnessed a substantial decline of 53%, whereas toy exports from India experienced an impressive surge of 239%. Currently holding a mere 1% global market share, India is poised to expand its presence on the global stage. Expanding the analytical lens. To understand the broader implications of this shift, it's essential to consider the global impact on the toy industry and, by extension, the broader manufacturing sector. China's dominance in toy manufacturing was not solely due to its cost-effective production capabilities but also its vast manufacturing capacity, allowing it to meet global demand efficiently. However, the COVID-19 pandemic served as a catalyst for change. The pandemic-induced disruptions in global supply chains highlighted the risks associated with over-reliance on a single manufacturing hub. Companies like Hasbro and Mattel, recognizing the need to diversify their production bases, actively sought alternatives. The transition to India, with its burgeoning market and cost advantages, not only reduces dependency but also provides an opportunity for these companies to optimize costs while maintaining production efficiency. Moreover, the shift towards India is part of a broader trend in global manufacturing. The geopolitical landscape, trade tensions, and the pursuit of resilience in supply chains are driving companies to explore alternative production hubs. India's unique advantage lies not only in its cost-effective labor but also in its stable government policies and strategic geographical location, facilitating connectivity with key markets. The challenges of transition. While the benefits of transitioning to India are evident, the challenges cannot be understated. The lack of manufacturing capacity, coupled with prolonged timelines for setting up new facilities, poses a significant hurdle. Companies must carefully navigate the complexities of finding contractors or establishing their factories, with each option presenting its own set of challenges and timeframes. Infrastructure limitations, including the need for warehouses and efficient last-mile connectivity, underscore the importance of comprehensive planning and government support. The initiatives taken by the Indian government, such as raising import duties and providing subsidies, are positive steps but require sustained efforts to address the infrastructure gaps and expedite the transition process. The impact on the Indian economy. As India positions itself as a formidable player in the global toy manufacturing sector, the implications for the Indian economy are profound. Beyond the immediate benefits of job creation and increased economic activity, a thriving toy manufacturing industry contributes to skill development and technology transfer. The spillover effects into related industries, such as logistics, packaging, and retail, further amplify the economic impact. Moreover, the shift aligns with India's aspirations to become a manufacturing hub across industries, capitalizing on its demographic dividend and fostering innovation. The success of the toy manufacturing sector could serve as a blueprint for other industries seeking to diversify their production bases and reduce dependency on a single region. Conclusion. In conclusion, the winds of change are sweeping through the global toy manufacturing industry, with India emerging as a formidable contender to challenge China's long-standing dominance and monopoly. The journey is undoubtedly challenging, with hurdles ranging from capacity constraints to infrastructure limitations. However, with the right policies and strategic initiatives taken by the Indian government, infrastructure development, coupled with the proactive approach of major toy manufacturers, suggest a promising future. As India navigates this transformative phase, the implications extend beyond the toy industry, influencing broader trends in global manufacturing. The shift towards India is not merely a response to the immediate challenges posed by the pandemic but a strategic move aligned with the evolving geopolitical and economic landscape. With the right policies, incentives, and sustained efforts to address challenges, India has the potential to become a significant player in the toy manufacturing sector and, by extension, set the stage for a more diversified and resilient global manufacturing ecosystem. The next time you pick up a toy, it might just carry the label, Made in India, symbolizing a new era in the world of manufacturing. Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.